Hi viewers, welcome back. The last video we already discussed the changes in profit sharing ratio and the calculation of new profit sharing ratio. These are the cases for calculating the new profit sharing ratio. We already discussed two cases in the last videos, then rest we can discuss this video. Okay. A and B are partners sharing profits in the ratio of 5:4. They admit C for 1/3 share, which he acquires in equal proportion from A and B. Find the new profit sharing ratio. Here in this question, A and B are the partners and they admit a new partner C, and they promise to give 1/3 of share to C. Also, this 1/3 is given by A and B equally. Equal means half is given by A and half is given by B. Okay, so here C's share of profit is 1/3 and half is given by A and half is given by B. So first of all, we need to calculate the half portion of C's share. Half portion we can calculate by multiplying by 1/2. Here C's share is 1/3 into 1/2. That's equal to 1/6. 1/6 is the half portion of 1/3. Okay, that means the 1/6 portion is given by A and 1/6 portion is given by B to C from their profit. Their profit sharing ratio is 5:4. That means A's share equal to 5/9 and B's share equal to 4/9. Here A is giving to C 1/6 portion from his profit. His profit sharing ratio is 5/9. From 5/9 he is given to C 1/6. So A's new share or A's remaining share equal to 5/9 minus 1/6. Here the LCM is 18, so we can write 10/18 minus 3/18. That's equal to 7/18. So A's new share is 7/18. Next we can calculate B's new share. B's old share is 4/9 and share to C is 1/6. Then we can deduct 1/6 from 4/9. First of all, we need to calculate the LCM. The LCM is 18, so we can write 8/18 minus 3/18. That's equal to 5/18. A's new share is 7/18 and B's new share is 5/18 and C's share is 1/3. Here also the denominator is not common, so first calculate the LCM. Here the LCM is 18, so we can write 7/18 is to 5/18 is to 6/18. Therefore, our new profit sharing ratio equal to 7:5:6. This is the case when the existing partners surrendering a particular part of their share of profit. Sam and Santosh are partners sharing profit and losses in the ratio of 4:3. Sajan was admitted into partnership, for whom Sam surrendered 3/12 and Santosh 1/12 of their share of profit. Calculate the new profit sharing ratio of partners. In this question, Sam and Santosh are the partners. They are the old partners and their share of profit is 4:3. And they admit a new partner, Sajan. But Sajan's share is not mentioned in this question. But they mentioned Sam surrendered some portion. Sam surrendered 3/12 portion for Sajan and Santosh surrendered 1/12 of his share to Sajan. Okay, this is the case. The new partner's share is not given in the question, but it gives that old partners surrendered some amount to the new partner. Okay, so here Sam's old share is 4/7, From 4 by 7, he surrenders 3 by 12th part for Sajan. And Santosh's old share is 3 by 7. From 3 by 7, he surrenders 1 by 12th portion for Sajan. First of all, we need to know how much Sam is surrendering for Sajan. Here, Sam's share is 4 by 7. Then, he is surrendering 3 by 12th portion of his share. That means 4 by 7 is his share, old share. Then he surrenders 3 by 12th portion. So we can calculate 4 by 7 into 3 by 12 portion. That is equal to 12 by 84. Also we can simplify 12 by 84 equal to 1 by 7. So Sam's old share is 4 by 7 and he gives to Sajan 1 by 7th portion from his share. So Sam's new share equal to 4 by 7 minus 1 by 7. That is equal to 3 by 7. Next, we need to know how much Santosh is surrendering for Sajan. Santosh's old share is 3 by 7 and he surrenders 1 by 12th portion of his share. His share is 3 by 7 and 1 by 12th portion he is giving to Sajan. Okay, then we can calculate 3 by 7 into 1 by 12 portion. That's equal to 3 by 84. Again, we can simplify 1 by 28. So, Santosh's old share is 3 by 7. From 3 by 7, he is giving to Sajan 1 by 28th portion. So, we can calculate the Santosh's new share. New share equal to old share 3 by 7 minus surrender value 1 by 28. So 3 by 7 minus 1 by 28. We need to know the LCM. LCM is 28. So we can write 12 by 28 minus 1 by 28. That's equal to 11 by 28. Now we are going to calculate Sajan's share. In this question, Sajan's share is not given, but Sam and Santosh surrenders some value. Here Sam surrenders 1 by 7 to Sajan and Santosh surrenders 1 by 28 to Sajan. So we can add both of this, 1 by 7 plus 1 by 28. Here also we need LCM. LCM is 28. So we can add 4 by 28 plus 1 by 28. That's equal to 5 by 28. So Sajan's share is 5 by 28. Now here Sam's new share is 3 by 7, Santosh's new share is 11 by 28 and Sajan's share is 5 by 28. So we can write our new ratio equal to 3 by 7 is to 11 by 28 is to 5 by 28. Here there is no common denominator. So first we need to calculate the LCM. Here LCM is 28. So we can write 12 by 28 is to 11 by 28 is to 5 by 28. So our new profit sharing ratio equal to 12 is to 11 is to 5.